If you work online and you do not use this platform, you are missing out on the best opportunity to make thousands of dollars in recurring commissions. Proven, top-selling product. https://www.workfromhomebayouraownboss.com/ Everlasting solid niche. Ready-to-go sales funnels. Stable monthly recurring income. Best client retention rates. Sales and income speed leverage system. Full support, training, and webinars. More than 20,000 satisfied clients and growing every day. https://www.workfromhomebayouraownboss.com/. Finally, an easy-to-use tool you can use to create unlimited, beautiful, and conversion-focused pages. Easily build powerful and SEO-optimized websites, blogs, capture pages, membership sites, sales funnels, videos, mock-ups, mobile apps, and much more. Only on Builderall can you choose to create your websites or pages using different builders for each purpose as following: Drag and drop responsive builder, drag and drop pixel perfect builder, drag and drop mobile first builder. The only marketing automation tool you'll need to convert your leads into loyal customers. Capture leads and engage with your audience with personalized flows, triggers, actions, unlimited emails, and a sky-high delivery rate. On Builderall you will find sales funnels, free plus shipping, one-click upsells, checkout with bump sells, and much more. Nurture your leads, increase your conversion rates, track your performance, and encourage your customers to buy more. We've got your back. By combining all the forces of our tools, you can focus more on increasing your sales. Builderall put together the best technology so you can have lightning-fast web pages. With Builderall's lightning speed technology, you have one of the best loading times, if not the best, on the internet. Best of all, you don't have to use Cloudflare or Amazon servers to have amazing performance. Builderall offers you top-notch performance servers in every plan. 3 different builders so you can build your pages exactly the way you need it.